Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or make visible the Developer tab in Excel for Mac. Instructions should be similar to Excel for PC. I'll let you know of any changes or anything that's different. So I do not have the Developer tab here. One thing that this tab is useful for, there's going to be things like you can insert a command button, you can write Visual Basic code. There's a few different added benefits of having this tab. So let me get into it and show you how to find it. We want to go to Excel Preferences for Mac, but if you're using Windows, you want to go to File and then go to the bottom and find Excel Options. After that, you want to go to the ribbon and toolbar option, and then if we come to the side here under main tabs, we will find Developer. As long as you check that box, hit save, we should have the tab. But while I'm in here, it's kind of cool to know that any of these buttons in the quick access toolbar you can change, modify, customize to your liking, as well as all the other tabs that you see up here in Excel. You can even create your own tabs, and if you're making macros in Excel, you can actually attach those macros to these tabs and make your own custom icons. So there is some extra functionality under this customize ribbon and toolbar section. So I click that, I can save that, X out of here, and then I have my Developer tab. Awesome. So here's the option where you can write Visual Basic. I can add a new module here, start coding. I don't have to mess with that. You could add a checkbox. Oops. By clicking in there, there's a spin button. That's kind of a cool button you can use. You could attach this to a cell and have that cell either increase or decrease by increment. You have your command button, which you would have to attach to a macro to get it to work. But if you could write macros, you could attach it to the button. Right now it won't work because it doesn't have a macro attached to it. Manage your add-ins. So here's an add-in that is available, but I didn't add in yet. That should appear in the data tab. So yeah, you have some extra functionality. You can record a macro from here, but you can also do it from the bottom here. So yeah, if you're interested in coding or learning more about VBA or development in Excel, this is a good tab to be open. Having this open and having how-tos available in Excel could make a big difference, be a game changer on increasing your knowledge of Excel. And that's all I had for this. Thanks for watching.